Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm doing an updated makeup tutorial because it's been a while. So I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So first I'm shaving my eyebrows a little bit because I've been maintaining thin eyebrows lately and I think it works for me. I like it. But that also means that I have to shave my eyebrows every time I do my makeup because they grow back really fast. So this is the foundation I use in the winter because it's the lightest foundation I own, and I usually do 3 pumps, which was kind of a lot, but I do like full coverage, so I go all in, you know? Also, I don't know why I showed you the foundation because I didn't show any other products in this video, but if you guys want to know certain products, if I don't mention it, just comment down below and I'll tell you what the product names are, but I'm gonna try and mention as many as I can remember in this voiceover, so yeah. So after the foundation's all blended, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. See, I remembered a product. I remembered the name of product. I've been using this for years, and it's a very good full coverage concealer, and I just use it because I actually could find like a shade light enough for me in Tarte Shape Tape, which is hard to find for some reason. Maybe I'm just not looking hard enough, but yeah, I'm pretty pale in the winter. So yeah, I just go in with that on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead, and just blend that out. And then I'm using the Coty Airspun powder, which you can get from like Walmart, which I know, I am aware of Flashback Mary, but I love this powder. I've been using it for years as well, and I've never had a problem with it, so I'm just gonna keep using it. But yeah, I just go in with that in a beauty blender, and then now I'm doing my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are pretty simple. I usually just use black eyeshadow for them, but since my hair is red now, I thought I would do red eyebrows, and I kind of like it. So I just used some red eyeshadow and filled them in, and then after that, I cleaned them up a little bit if necessary. And finally, I'm wiping off all the powder with a fluffy brush, and then I'm going in with some bronzer, and I still don't know the term for it, like the spot under your cheeks where you bronze or contour. I I don't know the term for it, but yeah, there. And my jaw, and then my forehead, and then I'm gonna go in with a very pink blush. I love this blush. I don't know the shade off the top of my head, but it's by MAC. If you guys comment down below if you guys want to know what shade it is, I will write back to you. And then next I'm doing nose contour. A lot of people have questions about how I do nose contour, and I don't really know how to explain it. You just kind of have to watch, I guess, but it's very, very easy. It's just 2 lines that gradually get closer together, and then a line at the end of your nose, and you kind of do a little circle at the end with some highlighter. It's all about the highlighter, to be honest. That's what makes the illusion. So get a really good highlighter. The highlighter I'm using is Snowflake by Anastasia. It's amazing. And then this one is one I saw on TikTok, and I wanted to try it out, but it's not as good. It's okay. And then now I'm just kind of shadowing out my lips where I'm gonna overline, and now we're moving in close for the eyeliner. And we're not just moving in close because you can literally see Fresh Prince of Bel-Air in the reflection of my mirror. It's okay. So yeah, for eyeliner, another thing I kind of don't know how to explain, you just kind of have to watch. I start from the middle of my bottom waterline and drag it upwards in like a crescent moon shape, maybe. And then I just drag the line all the way across my lid, staying very close to the lash line, and then you just fill that all in. I do my eyeliner shape differently. It depends on how I'm feeling, but this is what I've been doing lately. Then you're gonna drag the eyeliner on your upper lash line, getting thinner as you go down, drag it into the inner corner and make a little wing in the inner corner. Make sure that your inner corner wings are even, because if they're all wonky, it's just gonna look stupid and you're gonna have to redo one side to make it even. And yeah, make sure that your inner corner wings connect on the bottom lash line and the upper lash line. I don't know if that's the right terms for that. But yeah, make sure all the lines are connected. Also, you're not supposed to use liquid liner in your waterline, which I actually didn't today. Normally I do, but here, I'm being a good person. I'm using an actual eyeliner pencil, which is what you're supposed to use. But if you don't have one, all you got is liquid liner. You gotta do what you gotta do. Just put it in there. I mean, it'll burn for a little bit, but you'll be fine. In the meantime, I already put the glue on my false lashes to let them sit while I'm curling my lashes and putting mascara on. I could not tell you what brand of lashes I use because I lost the box, so they're just sitting open on my desk. Like, I have no idea. And I know they're not by Kiss, but Kiss has some really, really good lashes, very similar to the style I have. So I would definitely check like a local drugstore because they have some really good styles. And now I'm just going along with that shadow I put on and overlining my lips with just a generic lipstick. And then you're gonna want to use a darker shade of lipstick on the I can't think of a term except butthole, like the butthole of your lip. And then you're just gonna kind of blend it out like that. I'm sorry. I don't have like a staple lip gloss in my collection. I just kind of use whatever I see first. So today I was using the lip injection, and this one was intense. It was like the max extreme, and it was a good burn, but you know, it burned. And then I added, you know, my little beauty marks, and then I'm putting on the lashes. People ask how to get better at putting on lashes. Honestly, you just have to keep doing it and make sure you have a good glue. I use the glue by Kiss, and yeah, I don't ever like struggle with putting on my lashes really. And now I'm just curling the lashes in with my natural lashes, and oh, that's scary. But yeah, this is the final look. I put my fake ponytail on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.